Welcome to how to add Cash App to Apple Wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Cash App to Apple Wallet. So we're over here on the Cash App main page, and what we actually want to do is click on the debit card icon, which is the second from the left. So if we go in here, this is going to take us to our cash card. If you don't already have one ordered, this is going to be the area that tells you to go ahead and order your free debit card. But if you already have one ordered, you're gonna see an option right here that says add card to Apple Pay. So if we click on here, it's gonna go through and it's gonna ask us whether we want to do it through our regular or our Apple Watch. We're gonna click the top option. So you will see here it says add your card. Your card will be available in the wallet. It's just gonna verify your name and then the last 4 digits of the card that you have. If everything looks good, we can hit the next button on the top right. I'm just gonna take a moment right over here to go ahead and add the card onto your Apple Wallet. And of course here it's gonna have terms and conditions. You can go through, and if you agree with everything, on the bottom right there is the agree button, and right here it's gonna ask if you want to set the Cash App card as your default card. If you tend to use the Cash App card quite a bit, you can go ahead and use that as the default. If not, you can hit not now, and then right over here it's going to have added. It says remember your PIN is the same one as the one you use in the app, which you can also change if needed. You can click on done, and then you can see right there our card is now added to our Apple Wallet, which I'm going to go ahead and jump over to. So now we're in the Apple Wallet. You can see at the very top it says Cash App. So if we click on here, right there we have our Cash App card on our Apple Wallet. Again, this will also work with Google Wallet, and then what we'll do is we'll just double click on the side there. If you have the right Face ID, it will go ahead and go in and allow you to pay through Apple Pay, which makes it really easy. And don't forget to add that boost feature on there as well, so that way you can get some extra bonuses when going to different places to utilize the Cash App card. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question, doubt, or suggestion, please leave it in the comment section below.